Hey, wellness coaches and holistic practitioners, do you want to grow your business, get more clients, make more money so that you can create more impact? I know you do, because I know that's what's most important to you, because that's what's most important to me. And like you, I had to work through all of these things too. But what I didn't have was me. So I'm here to tell you that I can help you grow your business, get more clients, and create more impact in the world. I have a masterclass coming up April 30th. Especially for you. It's absolutely free. We're going to talk about ways to increase your revenue, to improve customer satisfaction, and best of all, we're going to help you create a holistic minded business, because what's most important to you is often put on the back burner, and that is your health. So we're going to address the issues that you're having to face every single day that's stopping you from growing your business. So click the link, get registered, and I'll see you there.